Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Cherry. Sa video na to, isosolve natin ang quadratic equations not written in standard form. Merong mga given equations na hindi nakasulat sa standard form. Pwede rin natin silang isolve. Let's have example 1. Solve x times x plus 4 equals 21. The given equation is x times x plus 4 equals 21. This is an example of quadratic equation, kaso nga lang hindi siya nakasulat into standard form. Para ma-solve natin, ita-transform muna natin ang equation na to into standard form. Ang standard form natin ay ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Para ma-transform natin ang equation na to, we will apply the distributive property of multiplication. Imo-multiply natin ang x sa x. We will now have x squared. And then multiply x to 4, we now have 4x. And then we copy equals 21. In standard equation, ang constant natin ay dapat ay nandun din sa left side. So, gagamitin natin ang shortcut method. Si positive 21, itatranspose natin or ililipat natin sa kabila. Kukunin natin ang kanyang opposite. Ang opposite ng 21 ay negative 21. And then, equals 0. Ang ating ngayong equation ay nakatransform na ngayon sa quadratic equation, sa standard form ng quadratic equation. Kapag naka-standard form na siya, pwede na natin isolve gamit ang mga natutunan na natin na methods ng solving quadratic equations. May 4 na methods sa pag-solve ng quadratic equations. Ito ay by extracting square roots, next, by factoring, third, by completing the square, and fourth is using quadratic formula. Applicable lamang gamitin ang extracting square roots kapag ang given na quadratic equation ay nasa form na ax squared equals c o kaya naman ay the square of ax plus c equals d. Ang nakuha natin kanina na quadratic equation in standard form ay x squared plus 4x minus 21 equals 0. Okay, so hindi natin gagamitin ang extracting square root since hindi naman siya nasa form na ganito. So, we will use another method in solving quadratic equations. Isa doon ay ang factoring. Let's factor the expression x squared plus 4x minus 21. The factors are x plus 7 and x minus 3. Paano natin nakuha yung dalawang factors? Una, kunin natin ang factors ng x squared which are x and x. And then, the next one is kunin natin ng factors ng negative 21 na ang sum niya dapat ay 4. Ang factors ng negative 21 na ang sum ay 4 ay 7 and negative 3. Okay, the product of 7 and negative 3 is negative 21. Ang sum ng 7 at negative 3 ay 4. So, tama yung dalawa nating factors. 7 and negative 3. Pag sinulat natin, x plus 7, x minus 3, yun yung factors ng x squared plus 4x minus 21. After that, equate natin sa 0 ang mga factors. The first factor is x plus 7, so equate sa 0. And then, we will solve for x. Okay, so si positive 7, ililipat natin sa right. Magiging negative 7 na siya. So, we will now have x equals negative 7. The other factor is x minus 3. Okay, equate natin into 0. Then solve for x. Si negative 3, ililipat natin sa right, magiging positive 3. We now have x equals 3. The roots or solutions of x squared plus 4x minus 21 equals 0 are negative 7 or 3. Let's try another method in solving quadratic equations, which is by completing the square. Okay, so ang na-transform natin kanina ay x squared plus 4x minus 21 equals 0. In completing the square, dapat ang mga variables lamang ang nasa left, ang constant ay dapat nasa right. Si negative 21, ililipat natin sa right, magiging positive 21. Ang maiiwan na lang sa left ay x squared plus 4x. Nalipat sa kabila si negative 21, kaya naging positive 21. Next step, i-add natin ang square ng b over 2, both sides of the equation. Okay? Ang b natin is 4. Substitute 4 to b over 2 square. We now have 4 over 2 square. And then, simplify 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Square natin yung 2, it is equal to 4. Ang 4 ang idadagdag natin sa both sides ng equation. Okay, simplify. X squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 25. Si 25 ay galing sa 21 plus 4. After that, we will factor the perfect square trinomial. So, yung nasa left side natin ngayon, ang tawag sa kanya ay perfect square trinomial. Para ma-factor, kukunin natin ang square root ng x square, which is x. And then, square root ng 4, itong c, which is 2. Yung sign ng gitna or ng middle term, yun yung kokopyahin natin. Kaya naging plus. Okay, and then square equals 25. After that, i-apply natin yung extracting square root. Extract natin ang roots, both side of the equation. We now have the square root of the square of x plus 2 equals square root of 25. Simplify natin. We now have x plus 2 equals positive negative 5. Kinansel natin yung square root at saka yung square. Kaya ang naiwan ay si x plus 2. Equals, ang square root ng 25 ay 5. And then, simplify. Si positive 2, nilipat natin sa right, kaya naging negative 2. And then, inad natin ito plus negative, positive negative 5. And then, ihiwalay natin yung result ng positive at negative results. The first one is negative 2 plus 5. Simplify natin. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3. The next is negative 2 minus 5. Simplify, x equals negative 7. Ayan, nakuha natin yung dalawang roots or solution. Let's try the method using quadratic formula. Okay? So, this is the standard form. Dapat naka-standard form muna ang quadratic equation kapag ginagamit natin ang quadratic formula. Let's find the values of a, b, and c. Ang a natin is 1. So, yung invisible 1 dito. Ang b natin is 4. Ang c natin is negative 21. And then, substitute the values of a, b, and c in our quadratic formula. This is the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Substitute negative. Ang b natin is 4. Substitute 4 plus minus square root of Ang B is 4 square minus 4. Ang A natin is 1. Okay. And then C, ang C times C, ang C natin is negative 21. Okay. All over 2A. Ang A natin is 1. So we have 2 times 1. Simplify. Negative times 4 is negative 4. Square ng 4 is 16. And then multiply. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 21 equals positive 84. Okay, bakit siya naging positive? Dahil meron tayong negative times negative. Kapag parehas ng sign, ang product ay positive. Okay, all over 2 times 1, kaya meron tayong 2. Simplify. Okay, copy negative 4 and then 16 plus 84 is 100 all over 2. Okay, next. Okay, so negative 4 plus minus ang square root ng 100 ay 10. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 10 all over 2. And then, okay, so paghiwalayin natin ang positive and negative result, we have now the first is negative 4 plus 10 all over 2. Okay, solve. We now have negative 4 plus 10 is 6 over 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. The next result is x equals negative 4 minus 10 all over 2. Equals, negative 4 minus 10 is negative 14 over 2. Negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. Ayan. So, pwede nating gamitin yung tatlong methods sa quadratic equation na x squared plus 4x minus 21 equals 0. As you can see, ang nakuha natin sa factoring ay negative 7 at saka 3. In completing the square, ang nakuha natin is 3 or negative 7. And quadratic formula, 3 or negative 7 pa rin. As you can see, kahit anong gamitin natin na method, parehas at parehas ang lalabas na sagot. Nasa sa inyo kung anong method ang inyong pipiliin. Okay. Ang aking advice, kapag factorable ang equation like this, so pinakamadaling gamitin ang factoring method. Kaysa sa completing the square, mahaba ang completing the square. Ang completing the square, advisable lang siya kapag hindi factorable ang equation. Okay, so kapag wala kang makuhang factors, so completing the square ang pwede mong piliin. Ang quadratic formula, wala siyang pinipiling equation. Kahit anong equation, pwede mong gamitan ng quadratic formula. Ang tatandaan mo lang, dapat naka-standard form ang quadratic equation bago ka mag-substitute ng values ng A, B, and C. Kasi hindi naka-standard form ang quadratic equation, mamamali yung values ng A, B, and C mo. Halimbawa, itong nasa completing the square, yung x squared plus 4x equals 21. Kung hindi mo siya in standard form, ang magiging A mo is 1, ang B mo is 4. Kapag nakalimutan mong in standard form at kinuha mong ang C ay positive 21, magkakaroon ka na ng maling solution. Okay, so kunin muna ang standard form ng quadratic equation kapag ginamit ang quadratic formula. Okay, so nasa sa inyo kung anong method ang inyong pipiliin. Let's do the checking. The first root is negative 7. Substitute to the original equation. So, tandaan sa original equation natin siya isa-substitute. Okay, so ang x is negative 7. So, we have negative 7 times x is negative 7 plus 4 equals 21. Simplify. Negative 7 Negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3 equals 21. Product of negative 7 and negative 3 is positive 21. Okay. Negative times negative is positive. Equals 21. So, they are both equal. So, that is true. The next solution is 3. Substitute to the original equation. So, ang x natin is 3. So, we have 3 times 3 plus 4 equals 21. Simplify. 3 times 3 plus 4 is 7 equals 21. So, 3 times 7 is 21 equals 21. They are equal, so that is true. Both negative 7 and 3 satisfy the equation. Our answer, therefore, the two solutions or roots of the equation x times x plus 4 equals 21 are negative 7 or 3.